What a continuation here of strength on the SPY. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, going ahead and pushing upwards. And in today's volatility, our SPY buy sent out a bull indicator at 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and receive the clarity and edge within the volatility of the charts and clearly see the strengths of supports and resistance and the strength of trend. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So here we are with the SPY pushing upwards, breaking through the resistance of 605, 606, and it's fighting to stay above it in today's volatility. And in the after hours, we could see the inflows here holding up after those outflow levels on the 5-minute. We're going to break that all down, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision, getting connected over to our 42 vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility and maximizing on opportunities with the strength of trend and supports and resistance in the charts. We look forward to getting you connected. And in today's home run, it was our Apple bot. Our Apple bot at 6:40 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 80% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, once again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community. Let's go ahead and jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, jumping from red bars to bright green bars. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, with an inflow-driven day. We could see how inflows dominated here on the inflow versus outflow on 42 vision, and it continued to compound to the upside. Now it's in a tight range here on the 5-minute, but when we zoom out and look at this from the 15-minute, we could see that inflow level there. And we could also see the strong support down here of the 30-minute and 15-minute down at 591. We ripped upwards. We needed to break through 601. We did. And now we're up here near 604, 605. And in the history of the chart, when you go all the way towards the 4-hour, there's an outflow level here that we're trying to head towards. And we've been fighting to stay above 590, 580, 585. And now it's pushing away from that area of support. This is why the chart's been holding up. And it's gravitating towards the resistance of 610 to 612, which are the recent all-time highs that we saw the SPY hit and where the acceleration to the downside of those outflows happen. And now we're trying to hold up the support and testing back towards these levels. We tend to retrace and retest towards these levels of resistance and outflow levels. We've seen it on multiple charts. And even in the volatility, it is seen, right? When these inflows came in here in the live action, followed by the bull indicator that popped up, the level to watch was 605 up to 606. And that's exactly what it did from down here at 604, 603. It gravitated, retested, and retraced to those levels. And then it kind of paused and continued upwards. And now an inflow level has popped up here at 606.50, and it's trying to retest up towards 607.50 to 607.80. And that's something to watch here in this tight range going into the after hours and tomorrow's pre-market. That's going to be critical to break through. And then when we zoom out to the 30-minute, we just continue to push up higher. And the next level is 610 and 612. Now I'm going to pull up those bull and bear indicators so we could see and confirm the strength, right? What's justifying the move of the trend. On the SPY stock, we're under a bull indicator on the 30-minute. We were under a bull indicator on the 15-minute. As we could see here on the SPY stock yesterday, it pushed up from 595, 596. And then you go all the way towards the 1 hour, and the SPY stock canceled the bear indicator here from 597.50. That was a huge resistance there. Until it got canceled, it wouldn't justify any move to the upside. And what happened? We got a bull indicator at 595.70, and it's been holding up since yesterday, not just on the 15-minute, not just on the 30-minute, but here on the 1 hour. And the SPY stock on the 2 hour just got a bull indicator here, canceling that previous one that we were watching, 598, that any pullback up is not justifiable until a bull indicator pops up. And we've done a full transition here into strength of bright green bars, and it popped up here at 598.85. So now what I'm going to be watching is if we do slow down, consolidate, or slightly pull back, right, if the trend is not strong enough to continue right now, that's going to be critical. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600. And to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.